People, na good afternoon, na good day, na good evening, na good night. Please, as you dey call me, you help me share. As you dey call me, help me share. Help me tag this man. This man wey dey Jamie Murphy. Help me tag am. May they play this my video for the live video we need to do for there. As you dey come, my people, help me share. Help me share as you dey come. Because we need to tell our people, the people that put us backward. The people will make us dey backward for this Biafra struggle. We need to tell our people, as you dey come, help me share. Tag Murphy, that Murphy wey dey Germany, that mad boy wey dey talk history for there. Mona help me tag am. So in day life now, make him play this wetin I wan tell am now. Make it play am for a follower for that place. If you be a person. If you be a person, you dey donate money for Murphy. And if a going to kill you, if you be a person, you dey donate money for Murphy. That Murphy wey dey Germany, will you dey donate money for am? Murphy dey use una money take dey smoke cigarette. Dey use una money take dey smoke Marlboro for Germany. You be mad person, your head not correct. Because my people, I need to let una know the reason why you see many all these things dey happen now. Wetin Murphy don cause for this Biafra struggle, the harm wey Murphy don cause to our people for this Biafra struggle, me need to dey tell my people wey make you see say as e dey there so e dey beat around the bush. That's why I tell una, una dey share this our broadcast, dey share my video so that una go dey understand where our problem lies on. Mona dey share this my program. Mona tag Murphy, that mad boy wey dey talk history for Germany. Mona tag am here, make he carry this video, make he play am for a follower for that platform. Make thunder fire the Ogiso when he say they do for there. Some people, if you be a shaman, you don't donate money, you don't give Murphy that. If you give Murphy your money, now anyway, some will strike you to death, and so shall it be to you, because you are a foolish person. Your brain is not working anymore. You will carry your money, you will go give Murphy, una dey comot for Oba, una dey enter Ogiso. We don't know Ogiso, my people. We don't know Murphy, we don't know Ogiso, we don't know anybody. That una know wetin make these people they hate our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you people one thing. Why these people hate our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because we are from there. Now we go tell you now. Because me, I support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with my blood, with my life. Because of who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I fought person in prison when I go to prison. Let me tell you why our people hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu make a broadcast that if we don't need kingship in Biafra land, we don't need other traditional Nnamdi Kanu, all these people, both Murphy, both Oba Bini, both Ogiamie, they are angry for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are not happy for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are even planning to even go and assassinate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Those are those people now. And the same traditional ruler wey be say that they against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they make the people they against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they make the youth to do against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now the same traditional ruler, now then they sell the land now. Now then they leave Fulani herdsmen and make that they kill our people for bushes. Now the same traditional ruler, and now the same Murphy, that mad boy where our Isha people they donate money give. They will donate money give and finish. He will go use the money to go buy Marlboro. They smoke for Germany. He will go use the money to go buy Marlboro. He will go to use and go the smoke for Germany. Tomorrow he will wear Fulani cloth. He will say he don't arrive. Fulani they are good people. Next tomorrow he will wear Yoruba cloth. He will say Yoruba people. My people, let me tell you now. For me and our program, we don't love anybody. We not nobody wey we love. The only person like me wey be say me I dey pay my respect to na be Odumegwu Ojukwu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The rest other people I dey look them like people that their head not dey work. They no even know wetin dey happen. Because person like me now, I don already go to school wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The only school wey me don go for the life for me, I did not go to primary school. I go to primary school. I did not go to secondary school. The only secondary school I go to is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that teach me the secondary school. Because I was born and brought up in village. I know how I grew up in village. This Murphy so wey dey Germany is a mad person. Mona tag am come here, make he come lis ten to me. May he play my video for that platform for there, so that those the follower wey dey call now, wey dey tell am say they want to make a group. My people, if you be a man, you join that group. We are going to kill you initial now. After we restore our now, These people, so this Ogiso and Ogiamie, Oba Obini, although they be foolish people, all these people they be animal. Now Mofi, we are going to deal with you in Germany. I'm telling you, because of you, I will buy ticket and go to Germany. I'm going to deal with you for you to collect Asian people money. You not protect, bring the thing where will protect Asian people. You not bring and come outside. Nobody is fighting you. There is nobody is fighting you. Nobody they carry you go court. Mazuna they can help you. Save you for Oba Biniha, give you a lawyer. At the end of the day, you come outside on social media, you will be telling Mazuna the Carlo that you pay for the lawyer. Your people, you are writing a right down for you. You pay for the lawyer because he help you for the danger you face ahead. Now you can't kick against him because he say no need kingship for Biafra land. We support him. We are in support of that kingship. We don't want it. It must be abolished. If you want to do a king in Biafra now, if you don't have the interest of your people in the heart, you are just animals. You be foolish people. And then they say kingship, so those traditional rulers, now they sell the land for Fulani herdsmen now. Now they say agenda, now Mofi, the idea, now Mofi they buy, they give our people. Now make you say, now Mofi tell the all those states you, they go to you, say, may they not join IPOB. Now that Mofi, where they join me, so. Now he tell them everything. He tell them say may they not support Mazuna the Carlo, may they not support ESN, may they not support una not see the way they talk for there. Say ESN, they don't even know how they put this one. Ask me there, so I don't know how Mazuna the Carlo they put ESN, but they campaign maybe say ESN, they give them everything what they need, anything what they want, they give them. Even for my whole unit here, for my whole unit for IPOB here, we even say get some fund where we will raise for year to support to support ESN, not be even the rest of that thing. But this both is so way they Jamie so and they tell you the way they brainwash our people, the way they deceive our people, the way they hate Mazuna the Carlo to the extent that the very first day that Mazuna the Carlo said that we don't need kingship in Biafra now, we don't need all those people in Biafra now. That day Mofi hate Mazuna the Carlo. If you people don't know now, if you are an Igbo man, you are supporting Mofi. You are telling Mofi right down. It's a mad person. It's not Ogiso. It's an animal. Una know they see if now Maboro. Now una the Eastern people they give her money. Make they buy Maboro. They smoke for Germany. And now people they tell and say he's the savior. He want to save them. It's a mad person. A madman is a madman. All these people they are mad people. Anybody you see as a Benin person, he come outside. He say now he heard not correct. Go and look that brother Newton now where they Spain. That Newton. That I not call that brother here. He's a madman. Go and look him now because as me there, so for me, for this freedom, nobody is my friend. I don't respect anybody. The only person I pay my respect to is Odumek Bojuku, Mazuna the Carlo. Then as they see today, now they see what they happen today. So nobody's here. You not get anybody who is here for my family. You not get anybody who is here for those states there. The people who is here, now the people now they bring those food and they come in, they can't kill our people. So, but they not tell our people say this kind of thing they come. That's why me, I know they pay my allegiance to anybody. I know they respect anybody. You be who you are. Even though say, all the whole king, we don't want them. We don't need them. Mofi, don't plan with us all those king. Even self, Oba Bini won't even give Mofi money self. Even the Ogiame, they defraud people for social media. Let me tell you people one thing. I don't come outside one day. If you me tell you, me no need this people money. Just they share my video so that our people will they listen to the brainwashing, the way they take they brainwash our people. Now we they live Oba, they are entering Ogiso. Who is Ogiso? We know Ogiso. The fight Ogiso fight before. Now they still face now. They are still carrying our head. They choking inside that place. Who is if Ogiso get power now, he should go and fight the Fulani. He should leave social media. The first Ogiso that fight the fight, not be social media they fight am. Pack your baggages and go that place. Let me alert my people here. I want to talk to my people here so that my people will understand me. They will know where our problem lies on. Our problem lies on that Mofi. If they use the Asian people monitor they smoke Marlboro for Germany. Now they do on daily basis. He brainwash Asian people. Now that boy they brainwash Asian people. If they tell they say tomorrow will say we be Biafra. Next tomorrow will say we be do. The other day will say go and check the broadcast we have done before. Me and Mazuchi and our Messi Coco. That's from the time when we take start for Igodomigodo platform. Igodomigodo Victorious. Go and check it. We have already we don't wake our people up. Mofi will be continue to be telling our people we are do. We don't everybody have your group. He's looking for a leader and we are going to find him in Germany there. The one Oba Bini do to you, Mofi. I'm telling you so. I'm a nation boy. The one Oba Bini do to you is a small one. I will beat you in train station. These people, they are not looking for you, sir. I'm going to find you in Germany where you are. The whole money you collect for the Asian people, you are going to pay dearly. And I'm telling you now because you brainwash them. Come and tell my people history where they came from. It's not for them to come and pay you money because you must be very mad. that Murphy Ogiso is a mad person, is a crazy person, because if una know wetin dey happen, una know why me dey cause this boy is a crazy person. This boy and Ogiamie, they get agenda together. Yeah, Ogiamie, they get agenda together for Niger Delta things wey they do. Now they say they reward the Niger Delta people with this thing, regional government. Now these people they do. Now Murphy they fight for. Not be Biafra, not be even Igodo, nothing. Now Murphy you na be say make they pay, make they give her money, make it take buy my borrow wife, make it smoke. Now Murphy dey there for. Murphy not dey there, make come fight for you. If you be a person, you have been donating money for Murphy, and yes, and I will strike you to death. If you be woman, you be man, you be woman, you are donating money for Murphy. More that's why they say more than they share this my broker make it they get to run. It's an man person for you to brainwash our people say now be the second Ogiso will come, and the second Ogiso on social media for the tell our people say you come to save them. It's a man boy. He's the one that make them be killing Edo State youth. That Murphy so now make them dey kill Edo State youth. He brainwash them. He don't let our people join IPOB. He don't let our people join Eastern Security Guard. Nothing. He don't even get group for them. Nothing he have for them. The only thing is angry of Mazuna Dikalo for, because Mazuna Dikalo say we don't need kingship in Biafra now. This is why this man don't love Mazuna Dikalo. Don't think he is calling Mazuna Dikalo is a leader. He want to help him. Don't think it. It's not everybody that call Mazuna Dikalo is my leader. It's not you will look like normal human being. They are not normal human being. They are not. Their brain is not okay. He don't love him because Murphy want to be a leader. I don't know where he want to do a leader. We don't know him. Nobody recognize him. He's just a history teller. Go and check the various video Murphy did to the Ishan people. Go and check it. Me that time, I'm in Austria. I did Austria that time. When Murphy put our people in problem, Murphy make the Austria police they arrest our people on daily basis. I'm telling you today, police arrest one of my Ishan brother for Austria because of Murphy. Murphy go to tell the whole police. Murphy na agent to police. Let me tell you one thing now. Murphy na agent to police. Yeah, me they tell you na agent to police. Yeah, they put our people for problem for Austria that time. They Austria. Many things don't happen to our people for street for that side because now they for they get their money. Murphy one more they useless. Where the Benin people they useless. When we say they don't know what that they do. Now it be the program when Murphy first start. Now so Murphy first start to they brainwash our people to the extent that you won't come outside. Now when it comes to so bad, Benin no give and land again. Oba Benin no give am land wey be say we take do this thing, we take do kingdom, whatever he and Ogiame is doing there. Now Murphy enter history. Murphy come carry paper come outside. He say Ishan people, he dey find Ishan people wey will be say they will fight for that. Ishan people we and Benin will not be one. We know say we will not be one. You people are already told. Hey man, let me tell you, don't be thinking Murphy is telling you people you are one people. These people have blood of Fulani. Let me tell you one thing. They have blood of the Fulani. They are one people. They are just one people. We not be one people. Now the first drive us say we not good. Now the first tell us say we made the kill before they kill snake. Now then those things they their hand. There is nothing that will make you as a man your head not correct. You carry your money go give Murphy. Make them go smoke Marlboro White. You can't come outside because of say Murphy don't brainwash you. You can't dey tell am say Murphy he stop Murphy dey craze. Let me tell you now, Murphy don't put my friend for prison. Not be say I dey talk and lie. When Murphy start the program, now our youth, there's some people they sell this thing, white. They sell this one. They know they do this one. They do this one. Murphy not they work. Murphy not they do anything. Murphy is just jealousy of the Ishan people and Igbo people that time. He just be jealous of Ishan people and Igbo people that time. That is how Murphy started. Me know how this be follow this stupid boy. He's a mad person. But nobody I ever noticed this kind of things is there. He put one of our brother for prison at the Austria that time. He put him in prison. He betrayed. He gawa this boy in my presence. He gawa him. It's Murphy that did it. Murphy narrate Ishan people all over the world. He told the European police that the Ishan people they are not good. They are the ones that stay in that junction. See the junction they are staying. See where they are living. The same Ishan people now see come they donate the money. They can't go they donate money for Murphy. Murphy now is coming out that we are one people. That's why I don't like what he's doing. He's a foolish boy. For you to be brainwashing our people, for you to be deceiving our people, now he make our people not join IPOB. He is angry for Mazuna Dikalo because Mazuna Dikalo say we don't need kingship in Biafra land. Don't think he say Mazuna Dikalo is leader. He don't have anything he's doing. Nothing. Go and check the boys he have on Oregbeni, whether he whatever he have there. He will give them money to go and buy Ogogoro. They will buy Kankan. If they drink this Kankan finish, they will go and print one soundboard in that place. If they print and finish, they'll go put am for one place. Content and say, yes, he don't arrive. Now be their leader. Nobody know Murphy. If you be some man, be very careful. No need anybody brainwash you. The Murphy where you dey follow so, you don't push some people for problem. Well, if you don't know, now me they tell you now. e don put Asian people for problem for Europe, for Australia. Me dey tell una now, e don put them for big problem. The Asian people wey say in love today now, wey dey talk say they be one. That's why we cannot. There is nothing when they advocate that Asian people. If you want to support me, you want to join me, no be money. I don't need your money. Just dey share my video. Share am, e go get to our youth so that they will understand where our problem for the start. Now the people wey be say they kill us, now they see they come say we be good people, we be one people. They won't still use another tactics to kill our people again. And these tactics wey they use now, they don't strategize, they don't arrange them down, because that's why Murphy not support Mazuna Dikalo. That's why he can never nail support to Mazuna Dikalo, because they don't already plan this thing. Then they look for kingship. Then they look for traditional criminal element wey be say that they sell the land on daily basis. They think say Mazuna Dikalo, he won't go carry their land. Now make Murphy they do all those things for there. Because if una look the various this thing where they go on social media for many times ago, many months ago, where we say Murphy, people they insult Mazuna Dikalo for the message where they do for them. Murphy is happy inside. Murphy say he don't even say anything. He didn't even say anything. That's why me I'm telling our people, anybody where our ancestors use, he use them to let them know say may bring his stupidity come outside. And I make me they tell una now say he don't use them to make sure say he like people. Now me they bring his stupidity come outside. We already know. Now so they tell the con tactics. They don't tell us say all these things where you they do. So the Asian people that will hate you last. Now the person that come outside so Murphy. The person will keep your record for Asian land. Now come outside. So your record is with me. The way you put Asian people for prison for Austria. I'm telling you now how you started your program. You started your program and be telling the police that Asian people is not good. This is what they are doing. Go and check the junction. Igbo people, they are there. These people are there. It's your time now. Me, I'm telling our people now, any money you donate for Murphy, now Animation will strike you to death. I'm telling you today now, Animation are going to strike you to death. If you pay money to Murphy, if you are doing any group for Murphy, you are doing any group for Murphy, that Murphy, where they smoke Marlboro White for Jamie, it's not nobody. It's just rubbish. It's a foolish person. Somebody that he heard is not correct anymore. Frustrated in Europe, he don't know what he's doing. He just tried to cause over finish. He tried to use it to brainwash people that we are one people. My brother, we are not one people. We are Murphy. We don't know where this boy came from. We don't know him before. And it's not recognized in Igodomigodo. It's not well recognized. We don't know him. That's why me they tell the Asian people now. Me they tell now the person who they pay on respect to. What they say now be second so now he be for now. What they respect well. He don't put the Asian people for prison for Europe. Yeah, me they tell now. All the old video when he do that time when he start the program, go and check it, delete all of them. More than not see say they talk history for there. Me I tell the Benin people. That's why me are the advocates and Benin they not good. The Benin people don't like Asian people. Go and check. Enter street. If you enter street, now you know say the Benin people don't love Asian people. Me they tell you now enter street. That Murphy don't put Igbo. He don't put Igbo people for problem. He don't put Asian people for problem for Ultra. Not be say they talk and hide. He know if they are aware of the crime when he commit that time. When he take the campaign for, he go come outside for social media. They make sure Ishan go and check Ishan man is in that junction. Go and catch him, put it there, let it there. We know this boy, we understand this boy, and I ain't make our people not join IPOB. Now I ain't make our people not support Mazuna Dikalo. Since where our sister Wasofia take the chance is there. Let's wake up, everybody wake up. No support Mazuna. These people they are coming. We don't already go school for Mazuna Dikalo. All these things where they happen. So you've already told us before. You don't tell us all those things where they happen. So just that now Murphy they brainwash our people. Now Murphy they deceive our people. Murphy they find kingship. When Mazuna Dikalo our leader say there is no kingship in Biafra now. That day, the hatred, they carry hatred, follow Mazuna Dikalo. Now that day, they start to fight Mazuna Dikalo, so that we will understand where our problem for start from. Now they are people, now the same people, those kingship. So now those people now see they sell the land for the Fulani. Now those people now see they are aware that they kill the citizens of the youth. They are not saying anything about it. Now these same people, so now if they come outside and say the Mazuna Dikalo is not good, it's like this, it's like this. That's why they tell them. More than they share my video, more than tag Murphy for year. Let me tell him the money our people is donating for him. What did he use the money to do? Ask him what did he use the money to do. He is looking for donation. Somebody donate. There is no day they not donate for this boy. No people that not donate for this boy. This boy have brainwashed our people to the extent that this boy he will take his son to school. He will open a live video. He will bring one piece of paper come outside like this paper now. Everybody have paper. That he will show anybody. Everybody have paper. He will bring pieces of paper come outside. he will bring am come outside. Hey, this is a court o, they take me to court, they want to, this money please, they delay for me, delay for me. He's had this boy, his status, he don't have job, he's a jobless person, he looking for money to, you people know that Marlboro White is very costed in Germany. It's very costed. It's cost. Now that thing they worry that boy. That's why me they beg our Asian people. Don't let anybody brainwash you. That boy, so he cannot go to those states now because Oba Bini already take over his village. He already around the village. Me now, I feel boast today now say I won't buy ticket. I'll go land. I feel land to another place. I go land for Isha now. If Oba Bini get two head, make it cross anywhere for Isha now, make it they come they come the place where me come for Isha. Now they go know say me now motor, now that land for come, he not come for that place. I know go fight and we gonna bullet. But most you no go go anywhere, but they brainwash our people. If they deceive them, say we be one. You don't tell us story finish. At the end of the day, no solution for the story. He don't brainwash our people, make them not join IPOB, make them not support this security. Now Murphy, now he tell them all those things. Now Murphy make our people they fight against Mazuna the Kalo today. Now no, because of Mazuna the Kalo say they don't need kingship in Biafra now, but Murphy is looking for kingship. Tomorrow Murphy will publish Mazuna the Kalo. Ebo leader is our greatest leader. It's a lie. Those are fake. We know. We the Godomigodo Victorious, we have been following these people for many decades. We have been noticing them. I even have their voice talk. Me and Uchenna, we have their voice record. All their voice record, they used to say that they need the Niger data. They open a group. They speak. The voice record is with me here now. When the Murphy gang up that they need the regional government. That day our leader said they don't need kingship in Biafra now. That's why they tell these people, don't pay money to anybody. Don't give Murphy money. If Murphy want to make a group, he should call those boys, those miscreants that live in his village. He should call them and carry them together, make a use and take do whatever he's doing there. We don't know where this boy for come. If you be a man, you have to be very, very careful anything you do with Murphy. Be very careful because we are going to deal with him. May not come be say we dey deal with her, we can't go catch you, join her. If we dey deal with her, we can't go catch you join her because we'll go find Murphy for Jamie where he did there. So because Murphy don't brainwash the Ishan people, now he invest me for inside. He don't brainwash the Ishan people to the extent he put a man for prison for Austria. He come out and say we be one. You don't preach one finish. When you don't put our people for problem, you can't preach say we be one. We are going to personal. We are going to deal with him because the Benin people they're not good. Me they tell you now the Benin people they're not good. That's why they advocate they tell you now all the time. The Benin people, this Benin people, so like people like the Murphy, those Demogiame, those people, now they be the Fulani. Then with the Oba, they be the Fulani. They just the fight for this thing. This one won't take now. This one won't take now. So they take the fight. Now the fight where they fight. Because our leader say we don't need kingship. Now be this fight with the grand so. Now be this ruler. We be say that they give the Fulani. Now make the whole traditional ruler. The day against Mazuda, the Kalo, all of them. The day against even Otto Murphy when he help come out for bondage. Come out for prison wey be say dem for go lock up for inside prison wey take go prison that way be say e take go court e give am lawyer. Murphy no appreciate all those things. No, there is nothing Murphy appreciated. He no appreciate anything. We have been telling Murphy, my sister he be telling Murphy lend your support to our leader Mazuna the Kalo. Murphy will say no, we have to make a group. Why he saying that group? Because the money, go and check Murphy. Murphy have various accounts. Our people that live in America, our people that live in Australia, that live in all over the world, Murphy has collected all of them monies. He is doing nothing. He don't do anything. He is not fighting for them. That's why you see most of our people that live in Western world, in all over the world, they don't listen to us. They don't listen to our leader. Murphy has brainwashed all of them. Murphy has destroyed their brain. He make them to hate our people. Tomorrow Murphy will come outside. Our Igbo Biafra will go and share him. They will go and call him. They will go and listen to him. I'll just be looking at you. I'm waiting for this time to come. I'm waiting for this time to come for me to tell una say wait the arm wey be so that they do to our people for una to dey call Murphy for that place wetin they do for there for now they call Murphy they tell Murphy say he wanna wan contribute because na Murphy he put Isha no be say he put Isha person for prison for Austria when he first come outside I dey Austria that time when he first come outside they campaign say Isha people that they do this thing that they just on there go and arrest him he don gaba Isha people no be say for life and we go Murphy na me by myself only me one na me go find you for Germany the one wey Oba Benin dey do you na small one I will make sure say I will beat you well I will beat you I will beat that craze comot for your head I will beat that ogiso wey dey your brain I will beat that comot for your head
for you to brainwash our people, for you to deceive our people, say you be Ogiso. We don't know Ogiso. We don't know, with nobody recognize these people. We are going to deal with you people. Our people not go join Eastern Security because of you. Our people not join IPOB because of you. Our youth they die on daily basis for those states there. Now Mofi they kill all of them. Mofi is the problem we have in Igodomigodo. I'm telling you people today now. They are fighting for kingship. They are fighting for what don't belong to them. This is how they brainwash our people 1967. This is how these people brainwash our people 1967. They brainwash our people so our people don't even know what they are doing anymore. Our people don't know what they are doing anymore. It's how Mofi brainwash our people with name of kingship, with name of traditional criminal element. That's why me they tell the Asian people, please, anything Mofi they do for there, because if I see you they support Mofi for there, I'm going to make sure say I will count you join Mofi, because me will go personal beat Mofi for that Jamie when he did there. So I will by myself buy tickets. I'll go meet Mofi for Jamie. I go beat am well. Police go come, will judge the case where we see. And me will tell am say see the way they put my friend, my Asian person for prison for Austria. The way he take Gawa our Asian people. When he come, he don't delete the video when he do that time. And I just they look and make it just the fool. He say make this time come now. Make the time don't right now. That's why the advocate say Esa and Benin will not be one. We are not one. These people they are betrayers. They be betrayed, they their blood, they their DNA. Now what did they do 1967? I see they come so. Now make our people not wake up till now. Make them still they sleep till now. Now he know say Fulani don't invade everywhere. Now he know say they won't take over their land. They won't more tag and make it come here. They don't donate money for them. They buy my borrow white smoke finish for Jamie. You don't smoke and put for your head. You will come outside. You will come to talk say my brother, we don't need story. We don't need story. Right from the one. We know that Esa and Benin, we are not one. That's why they advocate, because wetin they come from us, wetin they come, the danger wey dey ahead of Asian people is very, very strong. It is coming gradually. It dey come small. It dey come small. Una see wetin happen. The rally where our leader, where our women do. The Benin people, they are not happy about it. I'm telling you people today, they are not happy about it. No one of them is happy, because all of them, they are slaves. All of them, they are slaves. It's just those ones that their father have the blood of Esau, their mother have the blood of those ones is not slave. Because if you see them now, many is even they under this thing is even talking. They don't come outside. They are slaves. They already sold their soul to them. Say they are going to die inside. Like person like me now, Mofi are going to deal with you. The way I tell the way I will take the world will take deal with Oba Benin, and so we'll take deal with you, because we don't know you. You are not welcome in our land. We don't recognize you. Anybody wey they call you be king, you say that you are supporting him. We are going to deal with you and that person in this and now. Yes, we are going to deal with you people. We are not joking. Anybody that want to do a king in this and now, you must get the interest of our people in the heart. That's why I respect the Uromi, because the Ologi of Uromi, he allowed the women to protest. Yes, well, that one I give him respect. If he say fuck up, I will give him what belong to him. I will tell him it's not the owner of Esan. I will tell him when the time reach, unless he do the right thing for our women, unless he do the right thing for our people, before I can praise him. Before I can pray, unless he do the right thing, because that land did not belong to Fulani. That land did not belong to Benin people. That land it belong to the people of Esan land. Now it belong to the women. Now the women na get land. Now they belong to that place. Now man they born woman, man die go, woman born and not die. Now so it just be. That's why me they send this message to our people. If you come across Mofi, that man that live in Germany, is a criminal. That boy is a criminal. They have been donated. This boy don't brainwash our people. Our people that live in Australia. Our people that live in all over the world, he don't brainwash all of them. This boy get he account when he get. It is 3 account when he get. 3 account when he get. When we say our people take they pay money for him. Mona ask him what he don't use the money do. If you call now, he will tell you say, well, how much you don't contribute for me? How much you don't give me? The money where they give her, now they buy those jalabia where they wear up and down. If they come outside now. If you be a man, you they follow Mofi. Before you, if you they follow Mofi, you will see one day me and Mofi. I don't go beat her for Jamie. You will see me and her for life. I don't go beat her for Jamie. Now there you will know say me I dey serious. And if you come my way, I go to deal with you. Mofi and Oba Bini and Ogiamie, we are going to kill all of them. We are going to deal with them. They are not welcome in our land. They are not welcome. The history where they teach us now, I may Fulani they come so. The story where they tell us now, they don't tell us, they don't talk for everybody here. They don't have solution about it. That is why Mofi is angry about Mazuna Dikalo, because Mazuna Dikalo say you don't need kingship in Biafra land, and they say kingship, so now they don't sell the land now for Fulani. So that when I go understand, say the danger way they ahead of Asian people, not be small one. The danger wey dey ahead of Asian people no be small one. They already plan this thing. Just that Mofi is just carrying away. They don't pay am money, they don't give am money. The Oba Benin no give am his share. That's why you see say e dey vex, you see the angry small. Oba Benin they no give am his share for inside, and make am dey angry small. That's why me dey beg the Asian people, please don't let anybody brainwash you. We don't want this kind of things. We don't need it. You know, it's nobody. Now you don't know anything. Now Marlboro white wey dey smoke. Now they find money wey dem dey give am because Marlboro cost well for Jamie. It cost a big money that they buy am. So my people, the Eastern people, please, báwọn yẹn gbogbo ìbòkè only that boy ni not the Germany, nothing Mofi. Oji no, ebe se mena oji no, and ori ebe no, ori ebe mama gbalo tesan, ori ebe mama ho no avance ma. Only this boy na, iwoke Sunday the Austria. Only this boy na muy one of osan pa or more if you're prison. The first time only this boy na ka dagbare or make a program no so only this boy na ona tom wo iwoke san ri Joshua we na iwoke san a wo nele na nele na iwoke san o aho ni iwoke san ne a we go we streety we ewe bo or is only this boy na disgrace iwoke san we gani only this boy na so tey or disgrace iwoke san any prison iwoke san jo e ahi gan na or is me na time me iwoke san we na support that boy no the Germany or is me na time me na the way no that boy ni fe mu ko the way no fe mu ko eboka mu ko iwoke san mu na ji prison yo bi okere me ata me ba na iwoke san ba sa bore mebo ba yo no so oge me aba eboka mu ko mo watch your life all Asian youth leri Austria me watch your life the stupidity no ni that boy ni aru or is when I mean this time o me ake no ge na me ake no vary because mama gwali ma jo have go ewe bo ebi the law legend ni ma re gwali go but Mofi o ma la ko o aho no gbori wo ke san egeni awo ke na iwo ke san ju egeni no o ere ami wo ke san tie ni a wo iwo ke san support iwo ke o se me na work me na advocate wo ke na e sabi do my koko your pa or is me na advocate on even because e betray bloody bana no say my your pa there is nothing na dey make sure say my your pa all the everything on that boy ni do the gay some people on that boy ni ba cho Mofi ni all you be okere soon die boke san bi on am go dey no si ma je hustle ma life street o ma saboru you no go fit do am o is na heavy boke san and o ho ni ma je bi boy si no say ni iko to ti awa ya ni pure ni oko a ni buy na oko ari go so we whatever they are doing or ni buy na at the end of the day ono ope no say does wa òpè náà ṣe èdú kìá ọ̀yẹ́sẹ̀ wẹ̀ náà yẹn ìpè náà ṣe èdú kìá èèmọ̀ gbọ́n èèmọ̀ sábà gbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ mẹ́rẹ́ àgbọ̀n àná èèmọ̀ sábà rẹ̀ ìdíwé mẹ́rẹ́ àtàkọ́ náà ni èèmọ̀ sábà tà because èrè gbé dú kìá wù kìí ọ̀nì Mofi ní wù kìí náà ìbòkè san ọmọ obi san my friend ọmọ fi prison ọmọ fi problem work junction náà ṣe bá bọ̀ báyọ̀ mọ̀ báyọ̀ arrest ọ̀gá wa many Asian people and many Igbo people ọ̀rẹ́ kàmùkọ́ ni program náà sọ yìí nùgbọ́n náà yẹn ní àgẹ́ ọ̀hányọ̀ repent na mi boke san lakoi ona ya wo ge ni age story history this one and oya wo turn the history for boke san only this boy na one solution if only the history no ta oze me na wo boke san the only supporting the ale or Eastern Security Amazona di Kalo only this boy na kinship yo agbalo oda no answer for ebe ki oba Benin the mad person there ni iri yo dia mo agbali oso odo de agbalo so iri idea but bosema gama agbalo sema o iwo kan no dey wa ni Fulani esme a rape ni amuno o e ma agbalo because da ki Mofi ni a ege na vare ki o to sa re gbe fo eye mo to but o aho no adima join the mess ba ni stito ba na di stito emi no ata ni uki uki o ta be ni uki gbo ni daga ni bo sa ba hun ya Baye doleti go now. Bana doleti go now. Ba do so much damage to our people. Ba do so much damage to our people's brain. O ime boge san ba hun ya go. That boy ni ime iboke o man like iboke san. Those that don't correct the mistake or make it before. No destroy the Asian people all over the world. What gonna aya ki aya we call me na aya or is that when I'm your vary or ask we history that's why my man and love for it now they avoid me more can me agyo ma ho no nege na vary me your time wo ke san wo ge bolo kan na mu of your danger je only the say danger o ma ye je nia only danger nia o ma solution ri bo no nia no hare mu bini vary ile binu people no hare mu solution o even solution nia but even next time a solution because we are going to kick all of them out we don't want these people man your pa wa kinara mo gbe okpa ma kina te gbegbe reru mama gwalo tesan okpe anokwo no ogbo no re san no re buy edo no agwo san bi edo okpa ma kin anime san ha gbo no ri aso anime san ha gbo no ri aso dame o aropa ro ma me na river ro ma me na de Fulani herdsmen ni yo repi ibi inema bugbo mama happy bo mama like o e sori social media abri wo shi wo kan wa ya tabi wo kan wa ge ni kishipi o agwalo mama ni di kishipi mama gwale nebu na mama ni die edo ye san e yo pa amen betray akin ele na wo kigbe amen there is nothing there amen here make mistake ifo ya agwalo the way they are corrector ha yo corrector ya prison nebu ni wo nebu ni me o you know brainwash just try to make sure they make the correction mama ka eri bo boy me I reckon this boy na wo kigbo agwali go no ready maboro but by this time na even the way bo ba all over the world by this time na okay ni mazuna the calo re mu wan sikegbe working na opa ma ki o bi ma ya yo pa me na to bi me na me rege na opa ma ki for right for the one all those Benin people are just divide ma like people like Mofi now ayo agama big boy this one we have to do regional regional only this regional na haruna add the Fulani now the Fulani ma no si Fulani egbe no si add him by Fulani well when I protest the working na need the Fulani the Edo people the Oba Benin people like the Mofi man like koi aya support Obaseki ha hoge na ni Fulani agbori ba botesan o ze gbe na mi na aya agwali kingship agwali na hoge na ologe no wan we no iwoke san otesan ologe no ge ni be kick out we don't want him ologe no wan the interest of some people at heart no wan the interest of the women of some people at heart. We are going to be telling our women to be naked and swear for all the whole ologe if you don't have the interest of our people at heart. We are going to be telling our people, our women, naked, more than swear for them because if I be man that go, woman born another, or am I engineer because I work in a be no area they are born. If I equal no say son, if I be ologe ma be gbo. Oba sa Mofi ni Oba sa Mofi wo okun na dere that is only na time ba na okun no kun dere mama ho ne sikema mama ho dey aru mi sikema amen abon dey time wo okun la dere at the end of the day na ma just that one na ele una o me no o fe kini ma lele bukisan. So my people may I use the English to talk am that is the wetin I dey try to tell my people for my language na say all these people wey they call Mofi they don brainwash our people to the extent that now wetin dem dey fight for their selfish interest. They wan make kingship, they wan do traditional ruler. Any traditional ruler in Esan land, any ologe for in Esan land wey be say e no get the interest of the Esan people for heart, we are going to kick am out. We go tell our women make dem naked, make dem swear for am because na woman born down, na woman born am. Na woman na e born am. If woman no born am, e no fit be ologe, e no fit be traditional ruler. Na woman go still lay curse for e head. The cause go reach the body since he be say he wan sell our people for Fulani herdsmen. He say he wan sell our people for the Nigeria people. Our women in this land they are going to naked and swear for that person because if woman not born her, e no go come life. If woman not born her, e no go come life come dey talk say e wan go dey oppress our women. E wan come go dey stand for our women way say make our women no get right. We won't go to stand say make our women no fit make them no fit protest say as Fulani herdsmen dey kill them so they make them not talk make them just keep quiet say they won't go to any Esan man any Esan kingdom whether na king wey dey Esan land wey go give Fulani ruga for that land for that Esan land wey you know say Fulani dey kill our women dey rape our women for farm dey rape our children for farm they no dey let them dey go farm they dey destroy their farm when una take know say na only food na only farm the Esan people dey make wey dem take dey see their money wey dem take dey see their daily bread na im dem take dey survive for their life you come go give Fulani ruga for Esan land na anyway Esan na im go strike you to death if you be ologe I don give a fuck who you are anyway Esan na im go kill you for that land are going to bury you that land going to swallow you because you are not welcome in Esan land because you no get the interest of the Asian women and the Asian people at heart. If you get their interest for heart, you will know say na woman born you. You will know say na people put you for there, na people make you to be ologi. You must get their interest for heart before you dey put the Fulani, before you dey sell the land for the Fulani. You must let the Fulani know that your people want to be saved. You don't want you in our land. We don't need you in our land. That's why I dey tell my people for here now. Anybody, if you come for Esan land, Don't ever, if you ever donate anyone, just the only support you have for me for here now to share my video, make they get to our people. We will reach our people. We don't want any miscreant like people like Mofi. Now Mofi is a miscreant. We don't want any people like miscreant. We can't go to brainwash our people. It's an Ogiso from heaven come. Now so those people they be foolish people. Now no they understand why they talk say they be foolish people. Who are they fighting for now? Fulani they come now. Okay, may you take what to Fulani people now. Okay, may cannot do that kind of thing. Okay, Mofi now. May you leave Jamie now. May you go take what to do. You know go do. Okay, Oba Bini. If they do meeting with Fulani, this is what we are talking about. This is why we are going to eliminate these people away for this planet Earth. This is why me I stand for our leader Mazuna Dikalo that anything like traditional criminal element, kingship is abolished in Biafra land. It's not welcome. That's why we see all these people. No, they cannot. Because the truth is bitter. As it be, will they tell our people? Don't let anybody brainwash you say Ogiso come for heaven. Ogiso is a mad person, na crazy person, na be. He's a criminal. The whole money where the Asian people don't donate for them. The whole Asian people where they Australia, where they all over the world. These boys have brainwashed them to the extent that he open many accounts. They have been donating money for him. That's why they tell the Asian people say, Mofi where they Jamie. Me by myself, I will buy ticket. I will go beat am for Germany. Not be say I know they talk. Who know me know say as I dey talk am so I will do am and I will do am. There is nothing anybody can do about it. And me will do am. Kpatakpata I will go prison. I will spend 1 day or 3 days. I will come outside because me dey tell this message to Mofi. Mofi, you have to be very careful the way you do brainwash our Asian people because we are going to deal with you personally. Only me one I will come beat you for Germany there. Because Oba Bini no, they know, nobody send you message. Whether you and Oba Bini the fight, it's not of my business. I don't know about you and Oba Bini una be mad people. You una head not correct. For una come to want to brainwash our people again. We want our people wake up for their mentality. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let anybody brainwash you that you want to. Is nobody. It's just nobody. Because this thing wey be say e dey happen so our leader Mazuna Dikalo have said it before. E don tell wey e don talk am. Now these people now wey dem dey call Mofi, na dem dey brainwash our people, make our people no know the reality. Say this time dey come o, make dem prepare. Na Mofi na him tell dem, na dey brainwash dem. Na regional government. But e no know say this kind of time dey come o. But now e dey come outside say e dey find group, make dem come. If you be a man, you go join that group. You be a woman, you go join that group. I will still come here. I will come see Lagos for your head, and I will come see tell you your stupidity. And at the end of the day, Mofi, we are going to deal with Mofi, me personal. I go to make sure say I deal with Mofi personal because I will go buy tickets. Me I go meet Mofi for that journey because be like say they not beat am, his head not go correct. It's a mad person for you to brainwash our people. The money wey they don give Mofi since then, you need to bring that money come outside because people go dey call Mofi for a platform. Mofi go dey tell am say how much you don contribute for our movement. Ask Mofi, more than ask Mofi now. The money wey they give am, wey they say want to build this thing, whatever he's doing there. Who he wan build the office for? Na the Edo State youth wey dem dey kill. No be wan build the office for. No be him. That's why me dey tell our people now. The Asian people, please, abeg, anything wey anybody dey do for there, dey share my video so that we dey get to our Asian youth. Our Asian youth, we no want anybody to brainwash us. This Mofi, I will see dey repeat am. This Mofi don put some guy for prison for Europe here, for jail for Austria. No be lie. I no dey talk hard. He know say wetin I dey talk so na truth. I no dey lie. Na make we no go lie Benin people. That's why Benin and Esan it can never be one, and we are going to deal with the Benin people. We are going to make sure say we deal with them because they have been dealing with our people for many years ago. They have been brainwashing our people that they are kiddo, they are rubbish. Those things are rubbish. It's not working for anybody. We don't know where these people are from. They are not one of us. We don't know them. That's why they beg our Asian people. Don't let anybody brainwash you. Don't let anybody tell you it's Ogiso. Ogiso is just a criminal. They are thieves. They are just thieves. They are a bunch of thieves. They want to defraud our people second time again. We will not accept that. There is nothing that will make us to accept that. We don't like that. We don't like that. We don't like brainwashing. We don't need it. In Esana, it's not acceptable. It can never be acceptable. We don't need it. Mofi has to be facing his people. You need to face the people. You need to face the people because we know the joke. But people, because when they talk this thing, it don't take when Mofi they do this thing. Not be today. It don't take when he start this thing. Our people now wey suppose join IPOB, wey suppose join Eastern Security, they not join because of Mofi. They not join. Now in they come outside now. Hey, this Eastern Security, you even know how they open now. This same Mofi so ask am na wetin dey talk for say e get lot of secret code na we dey talk now e dey use them for there you get you get this thing for that place now you no use am take save una people dey kill people you get them for there now you no use am take save una people. My people ọdọ dey wọn kọ́nà ṣe because my people we need to dey tell our people if una no smoke himself there now is a jobless person he cannot hustle as work full jamie so you no fit work full jamie wey dey there so you no dey work you no fit go farm work you no fit do anything nothing wey dey do the small money wey dem dey give am dey use am take dey buy Marlboro light dey smoke na wetin dey do be that one dem don dole money tomorrow we go wear Fulani something the same Mofi say Buhari never die as he dey there so but he believe say Buhari dey alive na the Buhari dey alive na take brainwash our people na wey make our people no know say wetin dey come so e don already reach our doorstep na the same thing na him still dey do for there so that's why me I dey personal 100% for me to buy ticket I go go and beat him in Germany anybody wey dey give am that mind I wan see the person make come outside because this boy don put our Eastern people for prison well for Austria he don tell police say that we are doing all sorts of things our people still dole money for am Mofi are going to vomit that money we are going to vomit all the whole money because you people Benin people you people are not good we don't want you people we don't need you people you people you are not one of us don't let anybody brainwash any Asian person we don't want it. Mofi is a criminal, is a thief. Everybody know that. He's a thief. He is defrauding our people on daily basis. He is defrauding our people on daily basis. He is brainwashing our people on daily basis. We don't want that. He's a thief. Thief is a thief. He's a criminal and we have to treat it as such. He's a criminal. A criminal is a criminal. You don't want to accept it that he is a criminal. We are going to tell him he's a criminal. Mofi is a thief, my people. Mofi is a thief. And other thing again, my people. Mona Eastern security. If Mofi want to carry secret court, may go call these people wey carry soundboard follow am for Obaseki election. Every time I tell they deceive our people, Obaseki is a great person. He's a good governor. He's a better good governor. Now make me dey beg the Asian people. Now these people na people na dem Mofi so. Now they make them kill Abu Sali. Now they dey there. Because why? Obaseki build school for a village. Obaseki no build school for Eastern land. In the road wey Abu Sali do, now Obaseki dey pass up and down. Now dem see dey social media to today. Now they accept be that one. All of them. Even this man sef. This man wey dey wetin dem dey call am? This man wey dey Austria, this new thing wey dey Austria, some people let me tell una that guy 30s, that guy is just Jesus, he dey use Jesus Christ take dey brainwash our people again. He go come outside. Obaseki is a good governor. Obaseki is the Messiah. Na Benin people now dey tell una so the Asian people dey tell una the way the Benin people be. Me I dey tell una Obaseki is a Messiah. Mofi come, Mofi say na him be the ancestor. He say na him be ancestor when he come save their people, not be Asian people. This person new thing, that new thing wey dey Spain, he come. Na so Bible dey read. He say Jeremiah and Isaiah na him come make Fulani dey come our land now. He say na him be the Messiah. Obaseki na him be Messiah. He come the Messiah now when he dey talk now. Na the Messiah na they arrive so they don full everywhere now. That's why they tell the Asian people say we the Asian people we use am take make parable say ọ̀nà máa school ọ̀nà dáná sọ báyìí. All these people they cannot deceive us with their grammar with their whatever the educated fools wey be say they be for there they cannot deceive us. Na the guy Messiah the people they are still Yoruba they be one Yoruba. Let me tell you people one thing these people believe Yoruba more than you as a Sama. I'm telling you today. The Mofi, go and check Mofi now. Mofi love Yoruba more than the Asian people. They tell una more than not say I dey lie. Mofi love Yoruba man more than the Asian people. When me be say I dey here so I have to eliminate Yoruba for comot for this planet Earth. Now they tell me say we have to love Yoruba. Go and look Femi Kayode, what he's doing there. Femi Kayode want to join the Fulani now because they are Fulani. All of them, they are one people. They want to just join there so that they can grab people land. This is what they are doing. That's why we will not listen to those people. We don't know where these people are from. Murphy is not one of us. It's not welcome. If you want to talk history, carry and come outside. Tell your people, make them go. Already we don't. Now make me there for the Asian people. The only history where I will tell you my Asian people. Edo and Esan will not be one, and there is nothing that will make us to be one. If they do mess, now they put us joiner. If they do governor, they will say no. Now this thing, who there will get governor. This thing, Oba Bini Pikin, we will die, no wake up, the family. Now he will get governor. Now there they add us join. Now that time they don't know us. We not dey relevant that time because they want come sell land for Fulani now. They want conquer our land now. They put us joiner because say our women come outside, come fight for their rights. Say they don't need Fulani herdsmen for Esan land. Now make these people now they gang up now for against the Asian people. Now the gang up now the Benin people they fight against us. So Asian people they fight against us. Say we don't know where we for come. We know say we be Biafra. Nobody can deceive us anymore. Now make they fight against us. Now make Oba Benin Obaseki come outside. Come make that speech. Now the Benin people, if you know say you dey support Murphy for there, you dey give Murphy money, better stop it before we will use Anime Sante strike you to death. Before we will tell our women make them naked swear for you, you will stop to be giving money to Murphy. Murphy is a criminal. The money you have been giving Murphy, he uses it to buy the Fulani cloth. He uses it to buy the jalabia he wear every day. He uses it to come outside to be telling you that the people that want to kill you in your land, if they are the good people, you should not insult them. This is why I'm telling the Asian people, he can talk to the Benin people, they will understand him. But the Asian people, this boy is a foolish boy. He don't put Asian people for prison. Well, not be today, start time. I don't dey follow am well since 2017, 2016. Now this boy start Asian program. He destroy the Asian people like this one. Asian people like this one. He can't come outside now. That make me say I will buy ticket, I go beat am for Germany. He cup don't full. He cup don't full well. Our personal buy ticket, I'll go beat am well. Not be say, and the way I will take beat am, anybody wey come outside, me want maybe say the people wey dey support am, make dem come challenge me, make me with dem fight for that train station. Because wetin Murphy don do to our people, the Asian people, not be small. Because Murphy na Fulani man. If una no dey know today, na because Oba Benin no give am land. They don't give am. Papa na one of them. All of them, they are the same. They are one people. That's why you see say anything traditional, criminal, Oba, rubbish, it's not welcome. You know they not welcome in Igodo platform. That make Facebook they disturb me because the truth is bitter. In Igodo, we don't need donation. If you want to donate, go and meet Eastern Security, IPOB. Don't give Murphy any money if you be a person. No ever give Murphy money. Now Murphy make our people wait there. Now the Murphy, those people wey Murphy they collect money for abroad, for Australia, for America. Now the Murphy forefather for Benin, for Edo State there. Now they sell our Asian people for slave. Now they sell all of them. Now if they among all those people, all of them, they be one group. Understand me? So the thing don't red now. Let me tell you the thing. It don't red for their side now. They not see who they will take come up for the mess. Now that they call Asian people, that's why they come outside, they advocate so. Mais your pa, on ne va pas jouer, non jouer, bon non so ba bini. Maman again they will not vary. They are just doing escaping. Now the Bini people they do escaping. They won't use of to escape. That waiting movie they do for there. He won't use the Asian people to escape so that the contour say we are just trying to make good living. We are trying to understand ourselves. We are not one before. That's from the one. We not do the same ancestral. This thing. We the Asian people go and check the Asian culture. It look like the Igbo culture. Even he said, Murphy cannot even tell about Benin why we don't eat roasted yam with Benin. He cannot tell him. Me now, Ologi of Esa cannot tell us not to eat roasted yam because he know that we are doing na yam na pikin for where we for come. Enya obono. Enya omono vieke sansi aharo zitan omo enya ki I segel lega enya but we are dead already now. So many things are destroyed. Person wey their culture and this thing don destroy. Now come dey teach the Asian people the history. We don't want that.